Here onwards, you'll be listening to the Buddha's advice. The first advice the Buddha said, Asevana cha balanang. Asevana is not to associate. Sevana is to associate. Not to associate with bala. Bala is fools. Not to associate with fools. With the wise to associate. And to honor the honorable, or those worthy of honor. This is the highest blessing. This is the first 4 verses. The Buddha speak 4 verses each time. So the first advice he said is not to associate with fools. The Buddha did say in a few other suttas that our friends are very important. The type of people we associate with, the type of people we mix with. The Buddha said birds of the same feather flock together. He didn't say exactly like this English saying, but his meaning was this, birds of the same feather flock together. So if we mix with evil people, we will also acquire evil habits, and we will walk their way. If you mix with wise people, then you will also get some wisdom, and you walk the way of the wise. So who are fools and who are wise people? In the Dhamma, fools are those who do not understand the Dhamma. Because they do not understand the Dhamma, they do not practice the Dhamma. And if they do not practice the Dhamma, that means they are walking the way that will bring them to a bad rebirth, to a rebirth in one of the 3 woeful planes. The Buddha said that when we die, we can be reborn in 5 possible places. The best is heaven, and there are many levels of heaven. And then below that is the human realm. We can be reborn in the human realm, that's the second. And then after that, 3 are the woeful planes below the human realm. What are these 3 places? Slightly worse than the human realm is the ghost realm. The ghost realm is a realm where people without sufficient blessings, with very little blessings, they are reborn there because they don't have enough, have not done enough good deeds. But worse than the ghost realm is the animal realm. Animal realm, those people, you see animal behavior is firstly the temper is very bad. People whose temper is they are very fierce people, gangsters and all that, who like to fight. They get reborn as dogs and monkeys and all that, where they fight again. The second characteristic of an animal is lust, where the lust, sensual desire is very strong. So people with this type of characteristics, who are violent and who have great lust or sensual desire, they fall into the animal realm. And then worse than the animal realm is the hell realm. And those are for those beings who do very great evil, who harm a lot of people. Not necessarily a lot of people. Even if you harm one person to a very great extent, you can also be reborn in hell. So these are the 5 planes of rebirth. Later books talk about 6 realms of rebirth. In Chinese they say Liu Tao Lun Hui, isn't it? But actually it's Wu Tao, 5. In the earliest suttas of the Buddha, it's only 5. Later they added the Asura. The Asuras are actually heavenly beings. This is very definite from the Digha Nikaya. Because in the Digha Nikaya, there's one sutta where the Buddha said the lowest kind of asuras are the Kalakanja asuras. That's in one sutta. And in another sutta of the Digha Nikaya, the Buddha said one day a lot of devas came to visit him. And then he was telling his monks, look at this deva, so powerful, look at that deva. And then he mentioned the Kalakanja asuras also. So you see that the Kalakanja asuras are devas. Therefore, since they are the lowest of the asuras, and therefore all asuras are devas.